We created Experience Health and Wellness Center in Cape Coral, Florida, as a place where people can break free from disease, pain, and dysfunction, and move toward achieving optimal health. We believe true health shouldn't rely on pharmaceutical drugs while your condition continues to decline. You deserve to live fully and not sit on the sidelines while life passes by, especially when it comes to spending time with friends and loved ones. Our mission is to help reverse conditions like back pain, neck pain, headaches, peripheral neuropathy, and metabolic dysfunction. This is the heart of what we do, and our goal is to break generational health curses. I've personally witnessed families lose years of life instead of gaining life in their years, and that drives everything we do. Through years of research, trial and error, and working with thousands of patients, we developed the Restore Way, our proven step-by-step formula to help conquer spine and joint pain, headaches, neuropathy, and metabolic health issues. So I invite you to explore our website, book an appointment, or call our office to take the first step toward experiencing a restored life.